All right, trombones, hot cross buns time. The new note in this song is B flat, its first position, and it's the first note you might have accidentally played when we tried to teach you how to play trombone. It's actually kind of easy, and most of you guys will find no real problem with doing the note. So don't tell the flutes and clarinets and saxophones. This one's really easy for us. Now, with that said, being able to play this song might not come quite as easy. It just depends on how familiar you are with the note from In a Minor Mood, the new note, which is C. So remember, C is sixth position, and then B flat will be first. I will say the one really challenging part for trombones in terms of getting through these passages is getting from the C to the B flat. C, B flat, C, B flat. So if I were you, I'd make sure my hand slide was lubed up, and then I would make sure that I'm very comfortable moving between those two. Make sure your wrist is involved and your fingers. And then once you get that really nice and comfortable and you're used to it, then try playing those notes slightly disconnected. If you can do that successfully, the song should come quite a bit easier for you. But practice those things by themselves, what I just showed you. Other thing that might be difficult for you is getting through the legato passage in measure 5 through measure 7. You're going to go da 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 on one breath. Make sure that's not. Okay, it's got to be way more connected than that. Connect the long stream of air and separate with the tongue. Lastly, the last two measures should be played separated. Da, da, da. If you can successfully get that to come out, then I think you're going to be okay with piecing it together as one big song. Remember, if you're not mentally prepared for what's going to happen with your hand slide before you start trying to practice, you're going to run into physical and mental stress because you're trying to do too much at once. Get the hand slide together, make sure these notes are really comfortable with the hand. Then work out your mouth and being able to make the sounds come out that you want. You guys are awesome. Keep up the good work. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.